my channel as you know me as Edlin Mutsamai, and this is the Mount Walker Triple H channel whereby we teach you about how to make money online, business queries, as well as trying to learn about financial education on this channel. Make sure you do subscribe to it. I would highly appreciate it. Comment, tell your friends about it. And also another thing is, guys, if you want to send me an email, my information is on the description regarding to my YouTube pages, right, which is my videos, okay, which is mountwalkergroup@gmail.com. Now there is also another channel I'm on, which is Rumble, which is Mount Walker 888 for motivation. I'm also on Twitter X as Elite Central, okay, so you can check it out. All the information will be written on the top here, okay. Now guys, today I'm going to talk about apps that assist you to learn, meaning you can study and get paid for it. Yes, there are apps like that, especially if you have the youth, which is your younger brothers and sisters that are not working, or they're graduates and they want to study further, or they want to get money for them loving to read and write. They can do so, okay? So make sure you've got a pen and paper handy. I would really appreciate it. I apologize for not being on the channel, guys. I have been very busy. You know I'm running a business, and today my main business, which is Toro Corp Pty Ltd, you can check the information on the comments, whereby we do welding services in Johannesburg, is turning 3 years old today. So I'm really appreciative for that. It was a risk I took, and now it's getting viral. You can also check it on TikTok too. Now the apps that make you learn to, like, you know, you learning and then you get paid for it online. I have written it on a book, guys, because I know 25 of them, because I used to be a student, okay. I finished studying as of last year, and I finished my professor degree, so I have to just need to go and, you know, graduate, okay. Sorry about the English. I need to go and graduate, basically, okay. So the first one is Zogo. With Zogo, they give you gift cards for quizzes, okay. So whenever you do it, they give you gift cards for that. And it's international as well as local. I'm also going to give South Africa which ones use, okay, in South Africa. You can use in South Africa. The second one is Raise Me, whereby high school learners can actually get scholarships in order for them to fundraise for college, okay. And I've wrote all the information on the video here, okay, so that you can write it down. Another one is One Class, okay. You upload your study notes that you used to have before as a graduate, and then you get paid for it, because a lot of students need some questions and answers to learn for them to also graduate, and you get paid credits, and then you can send it to your PayPal or your account, okay. Another thing is Stuvia. Stuvia, all right, it's Stuvia, but I'm going to write it here, whereby you sell study notes and then you can earn a currency for it. Now, with regarding to South Africa, these ones are approved for you, okay. It is Zogo, the first one I said, Study Buddy, whereby you have to be productive and then it times you and then it pays you, okay. Another thing is Raise Me, okay. Raise Me, whereby you can get a scholarship for college, as well as Notes Gen. Notes Gen, you take down notes and get paid for it, okay. Now guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm so sorry this video is going to be short, because I got many channels to run. You can also check me on my motivational channel on Rumble. And also another thing is that, guys, please make sure that you send me, you know, your topics regarding to the comment section. Okay, I have a problem with this and this regarding to finance or business or apps. Right now, at this specific moment, for the past 3 months, I've been speaking about apps. But then soon, within the middle of October, I'm going to start teaching you how to run a business. Okay, a real physical business with no money. Okay, bye guys, and I hope you'll have a lovely day. And make sure to subscribe. I really appreciate it.